Hey guys, it's me Maya, and oh my god, every single video I keep saying welcome back to vlog, even when it's not vlogs. But today I'm going to be making Starburst slime. I would have showed you it, but I just did it like 2 minutes ago. Sorry, but my mum still watched my videos. But yeah.
Oh yeah.
Sorry about that. And never mind this date on me. Oh my goodness, my camera's going to turn off. Yeah. Let's get started. Yeah, let's get started. Right, so obviously step 1 is add in your Starburst. Don't know why I never opened this before I actually started recording. I'm going for like the orange because I really like the colour yellow, but well, orange like it's like a peach shade, and this was a bit of the slime that I made just there. That again. I'm too greedy these days. But yeah. I don't know why, I'm just my goodness. I just give it a mix, and don't bother saying I'm gross because I'm going to wash it like right this second. Be back once it's washed. Okay, so I've just washed the Starburst. And yeah. Now it's time to make it actual into slime. Bye. What's that word again? Don't know, so melting it, I'm just going to say, because I can't remember that word. Okay, so I've got, it's still, like, the containers are all. But, I've let it sit and, like, only melted it for, like, a minute. Well, not a minute, like, how long did I melt this Starburst for? About?
Half an hour? No, even more.
Like, how long would you say about? About a minute and a half or something. I keep eating this slime, I need to stop eating. But it's like more of a dough consistency right now, if you can see. But it's still really texture, but yeah, I just need to melt it more. And you only need the powdered sugar if your slime is sticky. But the strawberry slimes that I make, slimes aren't sticky. But I do have powdered sugar in my kitchen. But yeah, I'm just going to melt this more. I'll be back once it's kind of more melted. Okay, so I've just been kneading it and melted it a bit more, and it's currently the consistency that I actually like. It's like a butter slime texture, and I've not made the butter slime video yet, but I have made butter slime, so I'll make a video on how to make butter slime soon. I'm being cringy, but yeah. Like, subscribe, and comment down below all that stuff. Let's make you actually see my face. So yeah. There. So yeah. Like, subscribe, share, and comment and all that stuff. So yeah. See you tomorrow morning. And just say tomorrow's vlog. It's gonna be good. I'll tell you what we're doing. But it's gonna be good. Wait, Mom, are we still going? I don't know whether if my vlog will be too long, so I could make it into 2 vlogs, Mum. Should make it into 2 vlogs, like, so one going to the and 2 going to the I need to pause this again. So obviously tomorrow will be vlog day 5, but I'm also going to be recording vlog day 6. So tomorrow, not tomorrow, but next day will be vlog day 7. So if it sounds complicated, but it makes sense to me. So I'm going to be recording 2 vlogs tomorrow, and since there is no vlog today, long story, Mom's just like, So no vlog today, but yeah. Mom's getting a phone call. Okay, so yeah. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that stuff. Instead of going, I'm going to be doing it with the slime. Oh my goodness! Okay, so yeah. Bye! Keep slamming!